you going to do, just stand there? Or are you going to get out there and train? Hi everyone, welcome back to another Scotty Karate video. Today we're going to be going over how to make karate weighted jars. Yes, it's possible to make them at home, not expensive at all. That's what we're going to be going over in today's segment of
That's Right, Custom.
Now, you might be thinking, how are you supposed to make something like that? You've seen them online for hundreds of dollars. Yes, and if you want traditional looking ones, more authentic, yes, you're probably going to spend some extra money. But if you're just wanting something that's functional, that'll work, that's what I'm going to be showing you how to do today. Now, today what I'm going to be using are protein containers. So this is what you get your protein powder in your local big box store. I just, after finished it, wash it out, set it aside, save it, and now I have a jar. The good thing about these is the lip here, the seal, is really big to grip onto. So you have your grip jars. So you have big enough, it's strain on your hand to hold it, but not so big you can't wrap around. So it's a good match. I found this one, like I said, at home. Already had it, just had to clean it out after I was done with my protein. Now, what do you fill it with? Well, there's a few different schools of thought here. If you want it super heavy, you can add some concrete. Just get some Quickcrete, some water, mix it, pour it in it, you're done. It's kind of messy, and they are heavy. So I'm going to go up with some different tactics. I wonder what I could use. Looks like this is going to be a little harder than I thought. I mean, it's not like these rocks just fall from the sky. Or maybe they do. All right. So since I was gifted some rocks, I guess I'll use some of these. But if you are so lucky to have them fall from the sky for you, you can go to your local hardware store or home improvement store and pick up a bag of rocks. These are just some gardening rocks I have here. They're not too expensive, around $3.50 for a full bag, and I don't suspect we need this much. If not, we can always get some extra put in here. So let me show you what we're doing. All right. So now what we're going to do is take our protein powder jugs and fill them up with rocks. Now, there's no pretty way of doing this. We're just going to be adding them. So as you're putting them in, we're trying to get a decent weight. So if you start filling this up and you feel like that's too much, you can always back it off. The beauty of this system is as you get stronger, you can add more rocks. So let's say this is as much as you want. You just take it, seal it back up, and now you have your rocks. Inside your jug, now you have your makeshift karate jug. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this one up, and I'll give you an example of how much each one weighs. Now that we got our rocks in our jugs, we're going to do an experiment with adding dirt to our other ones. Now, the dirt will probably weigh quite a bit less, so we're just going to give it a shot, see how much they weigh, and see how usable they are. If you don't have any dirt available to you, you can pick up a bag like this for like $1.50 at your local yard store, and it's real cheap, so we're going to give it a shot and see how well it works out. So all we're going to do is add us some dirt to these jugs, fill it up to the brim, and see how much they weigh. So let's get going. Alright, so we're going to start off by weighing with using our trusty scale here. We got it set to pounds. Start with our first jug here, see how well it's doing. Looks like it's sitting at about 5.39. So let's see how close we got it. 4.8, so quite a bit of difference there. So obviously with these two, you can mix and match, make them more even. That way they're even, so you don't have such a discrepancy. Let's try our rocks now and see how well we did on it. The first one weighs in at 8.19 pounds, so that's pretty good. So those are quite a bit of difference there. Let's see our second one, 8.18, so those are almost exact, so we did a good job on those. So as you can see, we have quite a few differences here. So let's get back to it. Try them out, shall we? They work pretty well. I like them. They turned out real well. Now, obviously, if you want a heavier jug, you need to get a bigger jug or add in something heavier like metal or concrete. But for a test to see if these can be done, how well they work, I like it. They work really well. They're decently weighed, so you can build up some strength, get used to it. If your grip is already strong enough to handle this, suggest trying to find a bigger jug or add something heavier to it, which can be difficult. You have to think outside the box. If you made one of these or you'd like to make one, please let me know in the comments below. I'd like to know how you did it. And if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you know when my videos are posted each week. And as always, the more you train, easier the fight.